Hey, this is James with Shut Up and Do It Yourself. I just wanted to show you a quick, easy way to build a pile, a foundation for like a 4x4. So I've done this with a lot of things, and I'll show you in a second. I have these kitty litter buckets because we have cats, and I fill them with concrete. An 80-pound bag of concrete almost fills up a whole bucket. So you're gonna need at least two 80-pound bags to fill up a bucket. And then I bought these things off of Amazon. It's basically just like a piece of rebar with a piece of steel that a 4x4 fits perfectly into. This is not like up to code. It might be, but I don't think it is. I think you have to get like a certain amount below the frost line, and I'm in North Carolina. And I don't know if I met that requirement, but I don't really care because this is like for chicken coops and like sheds and decks, and I don't plan on selling my property anytime soon. So, but it works great. I've done this with other things, and I'll show you right now. I was just mixing up another bucket, but let me show you some of the things I've used these for. And my thought process was, if you stick a 4x4 into the ground, it's going to rot a lot sooner than if it's secured to some kind of foundation. See this? I got this big deck. We're going to do an Airbnb here, but you can see 5-gallon bucket, and I put that in there, and creates a nice little pile for the deck to sit on. Holds it in place, and it's less likely to rot. They've worked pretty well so far. But like just light enough to where like you can still move them around. But they seem to be pretty good at being a solid foundation. Just an idea. Help some people out with trying to build some redneck ghetto stuff on the property. Anyways, have a great day, and thank you for shutting up and doing it yourself.